It's Wednesday today and I've tried to film, but Ufezile Jawe has just been taken over. As you can probably hear, he's just taken over. He doesn't want me to film nothing. And he just messed on his papa. There they are. On the floor, playing. Okay, let me get his top, change him, and I'll be back. Nope. Say hello. Hello. No, I'm not interested. I'm not interested in the camera, mama. Can you see yourself? Ooh, you can see yourself. Let's go change you. With your drool and everything. You messed on daddy's toppy. Okay, let's go.
Kiki, do you love me?
Yes, I do. Sometimes.
I hope your people heard that.
Of course not. That's why it's called editing. Agu shoo shoo. Wowzers. There's something on my camera. I don't know why he wants to disturb my videos today. I can't. And his dad just smiles. Hey, so can I just talk to the people? Don't talk while I'm filming during the people, please. Anyway, I wanted to show you guys my box. I say this to say that I can't even film my what's in my bag video because someone wants to talk right through. And then I obviously am hoping Ashcom will come through before tonight. Okay, now that I'm able to film again, I think. Let me show you what's in the box. Firstly, we have the Refresh Apple Cider Vinegar Root Rinse. If anyone has got itchy scalp problems, I will definitely advise them to use Cantu's Root Relief System. It's basically an apple cider vinegar root rinse and an apple cider vinegar root relief. This one's got tea tree oil and this one's got peppermint oil, and they're really good. In fact, I think I gave 2 of you Cantu products in my last giveaway, and it was the scalp products as well. They're really good. They don't obviously contain sulfates, parabens, all this bad stuff, mineral oils, silicones, blah blah blah. You know the general stuff that it doesn't contain. Cantu is always excellent, so definitely something I am looking forward to using again. Then there's the famous coconut curling cream. Then we also have the moisturizing twist and lock gel. I am gonna be serving some twist out looks on the gram. If you don't follow me, it's at Yolz channel on Instagram. Then I've got the leave-in conditioning repair cream. I might give this one away. Then it's a Grow Strong straightening treatment. I've used this. This is not bad at all. I might also give this away. I might. I don't know. I might. The Edge Gel, which I have also given away on my last giveaway. Then we've got a daily oil moisturizer. This I've never used before. This should be interesting. Oh, okay, very light in consistency. Very light in consistency. That's very interesting. Then we also have the Coconut Shine and Hold Mist over here. Wow, they literally went all out, eh? We've got the hydrating cream conditioner, the cleansing cream shampoo as well. I've had these, I've used them. I think I finished one of them as well. I have my complete conditioning co-wash. I've also featured this in one of my porosity videos. Really good co-wash. And then I've got the tea tree and jojoba hair and scalp oil. Gave this away as well because I don't really base my scalp, but I'll try it. Next year I'm going on a growth challenge, hair growth challenge. I just want more growth. I feel like my hair has got more potential. It's been growing, but I do feel like it's got more potential to grow even more. So I might just use this for that because it does work apparently to encourage growth. Then we've got a Coil Calm Detangler. Ooh, Ooh, this is interesting. Smoothest coils for soft tangle-free hair. Adds shine and moisturizes strands, and it's made with pure shea butter. Okay, and it's a spray. That's very interesting. Next we have the Intensive Repair Deep Treatment Mask. So I've also used this before. Love it, love it, love it. It's gluten-free, silicone-free, paraben-free, big words here, propylene-free, phthalates-free, sulfate-free, mineral oil-free. All the free stuff, but it's not free. You must pay for it. So that's that, and that is all that is in my box. Thank you, Cantu, for showing me so much love. I really appreciate it. The electricity just came back. Whoop 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 whoop. I was about to change to another outfit because I've got another video idea. Video ideas come like that on days where I'm on. Like today I'm switched on. Well, I only switched on what time, love? After 1.
Switched on, my fault.
Go for go. So I'm switched on now. Switched on. Let's pretend I'm switched on, babes. I've got another video idea.
Go past 4.
You switched on the ESCOM, Moss. Well, it's 4 o'clock and we're gonna make lunch now only because we've just been preoccupied with chilling and doing nothing. So I've just filmed 2 videos. By the way, babes, I filmed twice, okay? Oh, you heard, of course you heard. Now I'm gonna film another video after eating because I just had like a brainwave, something I really think might be useful to you guys. A video about quitting my 9 to 5, or rather before you quit your 9 to 5. But I need to sit with my husband about it first so that I've got notes. I hate filming videos and not have notes. It's like, where's the basis, where's the substance, you know what I'm saying? So while we're eating, hopefully we can chat on that. I need to charge this battery because I've been filming on this camera, and then film because eskomolapa, and then upload the videos, edit and do the things that need to be done. I digress. My energy levels are high right now. I'm like, my brain is going like that. So I'm gonna do all of those things and then I'll check y'all later.
No man, no. This is not how it used to be. Look at my house. You, my floor. Fizzy. No. Don't make me a clicker. Okay. He's not really interested in what I have to say. He's not really interested. You do. Miss Kitty.
I am so happy I have filmed 3 videos today, 4 including this vlog, which is absolutely amazing, absolutely impressive from my side, even if I say so myself. Yes. I'm so proud of myself. Oh my gosh. So today has been super productive. Tomorrow hubby's out of town, which is why I needed to film as much as I can. Honestly, it's so difficult to really sit down and film with baby around. I know I say I make it look easy. Listen, this motherhood thing is not easy. Having a child and we're not ready for a nanny yet, which I've mentioned. I've seen the comment section go wild. Well, it hasn't gone wild. There are a few people who are like, just get a nanny, just get a nanny. It's not that easy, okay? Interviewing somebody, trusting somebody, it's not that easy. Anyway, we're planning to do that in Jan, so that will happen. But for now, we don't have a nanny, and I watch Faze when I can. Hubby watches Faze when I'm out and about, when I'm out for events and that kind of thing. So it's really difficult. So tomorrow I already anticipate a full day of mommyhood, a full day of me just spending time with him and then editing as much as I can for tomorrow's video. Otherwise, at least today's video is sorted. I'm about to upload that. Yay, that's good. I'm just really proud of myself. There's so much relief. Just feel like I feel a whole lot lighter. I just did a video on before you quit your 9 to 5. I'll think about posting it. Some videos I actually really doubt that when I post them you guys really like them, so I'm probably gonna post it anyway. I just felt the need to mention the 5 things that really helped me when I quit my 9 to 5, and I think it's crucial for a lot of us before we just jump to consider a whole lot of things, which I mean I put it down to 5, but it's a lot more than that. I think it's really key to prepare, which I've mentioned before. I won't spoil the video, you gotta watch it to know what I want to talk about. Otherwise I'm gonna change into comfy wear and then upload quickly and spend time with my family. I'm just so proud of myself. Yes. Also, I'm wearing this top. I changed quickly. Like, I've got pajama pants with a top. Earlier I had a cami on and I had my pajama pants. This thing trust me. This thing of working from home, it's so nice. I'll be honest with you, hey, I do enjoy a lot of it. Of course it does come with a lot of waking up on your own, motivating on your own, which is also another, you see, now there's a part 2 of this 9 to 5 because I didn't talk about that. I didn't talk about the realities of working from home. Maybe that's another video idea. You see how I come up with ideas. Wow, Yolz, you are blabbing. Let me end this video here. I said that earlier, didn't I? Cheers guys, love you. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Bye.